Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. My dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter which is named as The Black Aeroplane. Dear students, this chapter is written by Frederick Forsyth. Frederick McCarthy Forsyth is an English author, journalist, former spy, and occasional political commentator. He was born on August 25, 1938. He won several awards like Edgar Award for Best Novel. He is best known for thrillers like The Dogs of War, The Fist of God, The Afghan, Avengers, and The Kill List. Dear students, the theme on which our writer has written this chapter is to show how one's judgment gets distorted due to fantasizing and how it creates problem for a man. The story is about a pilot who feels happy to fly over a city at the night time. He is flying from Paris to London. The sky was clear and stars were shining. The time was 1:30 in the morning and he was fantasizing about holidaying with his family. When the aeroplane was in France, he decided to talk to Paris control room. He talked to Paris control room and got instructions to turn his plane 12 degrees towards west. He followed all the instructions and turned his plane 12 degrees west and started to think about his planned breakfast and holiday. Everything was going well as planned and the flight was an easy flight. But when the plane crossed Paris, he started seeing clouds in the sky. They were so huge and dark that the pilot compared them to black mountains. He did not know how to pass through them, but decided to take risk thinking about his planned breakfast and holiday. The pilot saw that all his communication instruments stopped working. He tried to communicate but failed as all his communication instruments were dead. Then, in the black clouds quite near him, he saw another aeroplane. The pilot of the other plane took his plane just ahead of the first plane and waved his hand. First pilot thought that the second pilot is signaling him to follow. He turned his plane to the north, making it easier to follow. The pilot started to follow like an obedient child. It took more than half hour to them to came out of the storm and could see the runway to land his aeroplane safely. When he turned to thank the other pilot, he realized that the plane that helped him had disappeared as soon as he came out of the storm. The pilot did not know where he had landed, but was not afraid of leaving his plane unattended. He headed towards the control room to ask about the other plane. To his surprise, the lady informed him that there was no other plane except him because of bad weather. He is left astonished with a lot of questions unanswered in his mind. Now, my dear students, it's time to answer some questions. Your first question is on your screen, and the question is, what was coming up in the east behind the pilot? The moon, the sun, the stars, all of the above are the four options. Now start thinking and try to get the answer. And my dear students, the right answer is the moon. And the second question is, which country was the pilot flying over? And the options are England, France, India, Italy. And the right answer is France. Now the third and last question, When the author's plane was caught in the storm, who came to help him? And the options are another aeroplane, a god, a helicopter, all of these. And the right answer is another aeroplane. Now my dear students, it's practice time. Two questions are on your screen. Both the questions are short answer type question and you have to write the answer of these questions in 30 to 40 words. The first question is, I will take a risk. What is the risk? And why does the narrator take it? And second question is, what made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Now my dear students, I hope all of you have enjoyed the session. With the hope to meet with all of you very soon with the next module. Till then, take care of you and thanks to all of you my dear students. Thank